My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Today I'm going to talk to you today about the IRS bank levy. It's called Demystifying the IRS bank levy. It's your guide to understand and resolve it. Yes, I know I have a red face. Anyway, I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor with IRS. I worked at IRS for a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I always caution people when they get on my YouTube station. There's a lot of phonies out there, people who really don't know what they're talking about. You know, they wear fancy coats in the background and I did this. Well, there's a big difference when you're a former IRS agent. You really know what's going on. So anything I tell you, you're going to know really it's the truth. So anything anyone says anything different from me, they're either lying or they don't know what they're talking about. My face is so red because I used Effudex. It's a burn on my face to get all my dead little cancer cells and skin cells away. My face is going to look like a baby at 10 days. Come back and watch. You wait and see. It has to burn. I'm sorry. By the way, you can humiliate me. I don't mind. Anyway, today I do want to go ahead and I want to talk to you about this subject about demystifying the bank levy. This is one of the new titles people like to see, demystifying. Anyway, what is the bank levy? IRS will send you out a series of notices. A CP14, CP501, CP503, CP504, which is your final notice, and then they send you a 1058 if the case is with the revenue officer. If they go ahead and do that, they are going to send a levy out. They'll either send a wage garnishment or a paycheck levy out, or they're going to send a bank levy out. Where do they get the levy information? Your bank reports to IRS any interest, so the IRS knows where your bank is. So what's the easiest way to get your attention? It's the bank levy. It's the best levy actually you can have, because what it does, it puts a hold on your bank account the day that was received for 21 days. So basically on Tuesday, if your account had $10,000, IRS would freeze that money. You can use your account Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and like nothing happened. But on the 21st day, the 22nd day, I'm sorry, the bank has to send that money to IRS, but it gives you time to pick up the phone, call someone to represent you, or do it yourself and get the levy released. When you go ahead and get the levy release and you call that 800 number, what you don't realize is you're going to give IRS a financial statement. That financial statement, one of two things will happen. IRS will either put you into currently non-collectible because you can't pay, or they're going to probably give you a payment agreement you can't afford to pay. So be very, very careful if you're going to do this by yourself. One of the reasons you do hire professionals, we minimize that payment because we know how to just do our thing because we have all this experience and we don't let IRS get carried away. We try to get you put in hardship or a payment agreement. We try to look at your financial life and see really where this fits in, not have IRS just force their way on you. So anyway, just understand the bank holds that money for 21 days. On the 22nd day, then the bank sends it to IRS. You have plenty of time to get the money released and get your case closed, and make sure IRS is going to want your tax returns filed. You've now heard the truth. Give me a subscription. You're welcome to comment me. If you call our firm, you'll speak directly to me. I thank you, by the way, for going through this and watching my terrible red face. I can't wait till this goes away. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the subscription. I have 1,800 other videos that'll help you. Thank you.